Welcome to Tech Bytes. The first step is to ensure that a task list sheet exists. Otherwise, the formula will return an error. The cells for the notes section in the first column of the calendar are B5, B7, B9, B11, B13 and B15. Select all these cells. Copy the formula in the formula bar. Press Ctrl-Enter to enter the formula in the selected cells simultaneously. Manually update the formula's corresponding cell references in the remaining cells of the first column in the notes section of the calendar. Select cell B5 and hover the mouse over the bottom right corner until a plus sign appears. Drag the plus symbol across the entire row of the calendar. The formula has been entered into the cells of that row, updating the cell references automatically. Once the process is followed for each row, our calendar, synchronized with the task list, will be ready.